Hi, HSE Toolbox Tax. The Toolbox Tax is one of the major area all safety professionals must concentrate because it motivate and proactive safety culture in the organization to inform all kind of communications and problem solvings and issues and behaviors, everything included in this toolbox tax. Every day, even in construction sites, they are doing the toolbox tax before start the work. The same thing, at least for each and every organization, must concentrate about the toolbox tax for their organizations. This toolbox tax is not just ordinary HSC topics. It's all about the entire organization's health and hygiene, safety, environmental part, and then various behavioral part, ethics, morality, welfare, and legislations, rules and regulations, and daily routine work, the employee employers relationships and their engagements, the question and answers, ISO standards like ISO 9001, 14,001, WASAS 18,001 or 45,001. So these all the things you can make a toolbox tax an important meeting event, communicating event, and a problem solving event. Every day you can make a topic. So that topic must be reach the all employees. You must have a proper form for that toolbox tax, like the title, subject, who is taking, and then who is reviewing that one, and then how topics are covered, what is the topic, what's the message, and then attendees attendance list. So these all must be there in that toolbox tax meeting form. So you have to record it in that form itself, the name, the topic, date, and concern, where it's venue, where it's happening, and then subject, and then finally